How's it going, everybody? It's the holiday season and it's also the month of November. So we are back again with another November winter slash holiday themed Lego build. Let's get into it. We have before us Lego set 75268, aka the Lego Speeder set. I'm excited to do this one. This is obviously an iconic set from the uh, Lego Star Wars movie where Luke is on the snowy planet. He's attacking the evil empire and their operation out there. And this is the vehicle that he is using to do that with. So yeah, let's set up the camera and get right into building it. And with that, I'm the original very old unicorn. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.